Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. How you can watch Amazon Prime Video movies in high quality. So we will discuss this topic in this video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's start our video. The first thing you need to do is to open your Amazon Prime application. I'm using an iPad. You can do that on your mobile devices as well. The next thing, make sure that you're signed in to your Amazon Prime account. I will tap on the account option. From here, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the settings option. So once you tap on the settings option, it will bring you here, streaming and downloading. Tap on that one. Here you will find the streaming quality. So I selected the best one. Maybe it will be by default at good, so you can change it to best, but make sure that you have access to unlimited internet if you're using a data, because it will consume 5.8 GB per hour. If you select the best one, then there is a better one and then there is a good one. So the consumption of the internet will be less if you select good. This setting applies only to this device. So if you apply this setting, it will be only to this device. If you're using your Prime account on another device, let's suppose on TV, so you need to change the settings from there as well. So guys, if you want to download Amazon Prime movies in high quality, I have a video on that. You can find the link in the description of this video. I will see you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.